Hey guys, here is Join Team. This is Morning from Shenzhen. Today I will show how to install this 7-inch doubling Android 5.1.1 Lollipop doubling header unit for Skoda seat Volkswagen. Okay, I will show this size, left, right size, and back of header unit. This is right height size back of header unit. You need to buy a fascia dash kit. This is fascia dash kit to fit doubling size. Doubling size is 178 and 100 millimeter. It's OEM dash kit. Okay, like us to fix this frame kit on header unit. Okay, you need to make sure it's doubling size. You can put the screw with screwdriver. You have to make sure that your dashboard size. If you dashboard not doubling size, I advise please take a picture to show your dashboard to tell me your car model, and yes, to contact Join. You can visit Join websites, sandw.carjoin.com to send the email carjoin@gmail.com or support@carjoin.com to contact Join to get the support. You can buy fascia from eBay or other online. Also, you can make sure harness. If you Join have no specific harness, you need to buy it from like Connect 2, the PSC, Access, or Metro. You can cut the wire according to Join wire diagram paper to install your header units and connect wire. Also buy a radio and antenna. Usually you need to use face radio antenna. Factory radio antenna will be okay. And I advise please make sure the size and harness. If you make sure you can install aftermarket Android header units. If you can have factory amplifier, you need to buy CAN decoder box. You need to buy a CAN decoder box like online, like PSC. Join customers show the PSC wire wheel. PSC wire wheel, how to connect it. Connect power cable, radio antenna, and the GPS antenna. You can use your factory bracket to fix two screw header units. This is two doubling size dash kit. And you just screw it to test the header unit. It shows the button lights on and the not start because the header unit need 12 voltage. The power not enough. When you put the car key and in ignition, the header unit will be started with 12 voltage. Do not this way do not start because power not enough. We just screw the two screw will be okay to fix the header unit. It has new developed joint system will be RAM 2 GB and Intel chip to fit the dash keys, and the Bluetooth 4.0. Joint have better technical support and custom service. If you have any more questions, you can contact us. We will reply to you later. You can clear screen. Okay, you put the car key. The head unit will be power. Just 1 second to start. Backup camera is okay. Radio.
澳洲 Welcome to America。近日发生在苏丹东南部的腹泻致死疫情已经得到了控制。
When you click search button, you will get so many radio stations. It supports RDS. I advise please buy DAB Plus from Join because DAB have better sound quality and so many radio stations. Customer feedback as in German. It will have 50 radio stations, so many. We also tested the DAB from Hong Kong, no problem.
森林活检营
不接，也就是在水围村里面
工作。
维里安，
我是陈绮贞，
我是唐，
The sounds okay.
我是王海玲，我是小军，
我是叶嘉修，
我是殷正阳，
我是周云龙，
我是万芳，我是陈明韶，
我们是南方二重唱。
54小时超长直播，25组音乐人独家专访，12档中秋特别节目，飞扬971诚意献礼。
深圳电台飞扬971的听众朋友们，大家好，我是陈明韶。其实不止我自己，我相信所有的民歌手以及喜爱民歌的朋友们，大家都是以
身上那声都还不应不是悲剧，在远景中变成记忆。青春这本其实小说翻到第几页？心跳跳到快要窒息，那天谎言在潮汐间变成干邑。人生有多深邃，就有多少次毁灭。傻过
Go Maps.
疯过是会的道歉，渺小极限。
Video, it supports video, picture in picture, PRP.
我在树叶落下的时候等你，带你去见我。那是一如童年的晴朗天气，有人唱绿草如茵，我要多么的努力才能换来你？我想我应该非常久，爱不完。
And then you can start the button lights. You can custom button lights. It's show the standby with the show time. Also, you can clear all. And you can download other maps like Waze here, and to have put the GPS card slot to install application, or run the offline maps. You just download from it support offline maps. Also support most application from Google Play Store. When you take out the car key, it will then put it again. It will be show the one time to start backup camera.
也偶尔会回台湾去参加大大小小的民歌演唱会，这个时候才会深刻的体会到年轻的时候自己不